Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog at I'm going to show to you yung mga shots ko taken using this Canon EOS R8 with 24 to 105mm lens. This is from Canon Philippines. Maraming salamat kay Canon Philippines. And we got some nice shots na sample ko for this vlog para alas makita nyo on how I use the Canon EOS R8. Last year, we tried the Canon R6 Mark I at nakatry din tayo ng R6 Mark II pero R6 Mark I yung pinakang natry ko for 1.5 months noong December last year. And this time, nabigyan ako ng chance ni Canon Philippines to try their Canon R8. Super gaganda nitong full frame camera from Canon Philippines and it's gulat ako, I enjoyed doing photography using this camera instead of doing video. May mga videos ako, no? Pero I'll show to you on the next video yung mga video samples ko na how I use it. Kasi ang laki ng difference when I use the Canon R6. Kasi naka 24 to 70 lens ako noon eh. Naka red line lens eh. Very high-end yung lens niya. Super ganda na stabilization. But this one, 24 to 105, which is okay lang, but medyo nakukulangan ako for the video stabilization. But we will talk that sa ibang video. But for this video, I'll be showing to you yung mga sample photos ko. Kasi nag-event si Food Panda sa Circuit Makati. I got a chance to shoot some mga rockstar stars na event nila. Si Ian Constantino, Six Cycle Mind, at si Rico Blanco. At maganda dito, no, yung management ni Rico Blanco, napansin yung mga shots ko sa Facebook at they featured it sa kanilang Instagram and also Facebook. Shout out kay Bianca of Balcony Entertainment. Yun yung management company na founded by Rico Blanco. I'm very happy na featured yung pictures ko, no, using this Canon R8 na full frame camera. So, masasabi ko lang, no, super ganda niya for low lighting. Wala akong problema. Ang bilis ng pag-click ko, yung shutter niya, ang bilis. Super, ang laki ng difference pag naka-mirrorless ka na APS-C. Medyo nakukulangan ako. But for this, super na-enjoy ko yung speed niya when it comes to photography, no. Nabago yung style ko of shooting, nabago yung method ko of calibrating the camera, choosing the right setting kasi iba yung style nito. I'm using the Fujifilm kasi at medyo hindi pa ako sanay pero nakukuha ko na mixing the tawag dito ISO, minimix ko yung exposure level niya, yung shutter speed, and also yung kanyang aperture. So, sometimes naka-aperture f5 ako, f7, f11 for those events. And for the ISO, I think 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 ISO. Kasi gusto ko makuha yung yung kumbaga, hindi ako mahirapan pag sa mga low light scenario, sa mga events, sa mga concert events, kamukha na itong ginawa kong shoot, no. And then laro-laro na lang ako dun sa shutter speed niya. So ayun, I'll be showing to you some photos taken by me using the Canon EOS R8 with the 24 to 105 lens from Canon Philippines. So ito na yung video, panoorin niyo and I hope you enjoyed viewing itong mga samples ko. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-expert. Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-shoot ng concert. No? I think I started 2007 shooting concerts. Ngayon lang ulit. So ito na, panoorin niyo and let me know via comments kung ano masabi niyo.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Alright, nakita nyo na yung yung pictures pala na ni Yen Constantino, Sig Cycleman at Rico Blanco na-shot ko using the Canon EOS R8. So masabi ko lang, no, nag-edit ako sa Lightroom to adjust some of the colors, the lighting. Minsan kasi may part doon sobrang dilim, nilawanan ko ng konti, o masyadong madilim, dililiman ko pa ng konti. I balance the colors at saka sa mga tunes using Lightroom. So hindi siya straight out of the camera. Pero viewing na straight out the camera, which is okay naman, nakita ko. Kasi nag-transfer ako ng files from the camera to my phone at nag-post sa social media, which is super okay. Lalo na yung mga pictures ko kay Yen Constantino, super ganda, super ganda. Kung nakita niyo sa Facebook ko, andun siya nakapost, walang editing. So yung sa mga pinost ko sa online, separately, to feature those photos, so nag-konti ang Lightroom ako, which is okay lang naman yung turnout niya. Mas lalo pang gumanda. So that's it. I'll be featuring more of the samples of the Canon R8. I think nasa 105,000 yata itong camera. No? Nalimutan ko kung magkano yung SRP niya. Pero I think magkano 105,000. For the body, hindi pa kasama yung lens. Alright. So that's it guys for our feature today using the Canon EOS R8. Thank you so much Canon Philippines. At kita-kits tayo sa next video. So don't forget to like. Nalimutan ko na yung ko kasi tagal na ako hindi nag-vlog masyado. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog. At tagal ko kasi hindi nag-vlog. Puro kasi ako nag-reels recently. Ngayon ulit ako nag-vlog ng ganito. Bago matapos yung taon ng 2023. So Happy New Year sa inyo. At we'll be doing more content pagsapit ng January 2024. Alright, so that's it guys, and thank you Canon for this.